The Samurai Shark, the ultimate sharpening tool that puts a razor's edge on dull knives, scissors, tools, just about anything with a cutting blade. The secret to the Samurai Shark are the tungsten carbide sharpening blades, along with their unique angle that give you a precision edge each and every time. Countertops, cutting boards, plates, and dishes. These are the things that dull your knives. This knife is so dull, it won't even cut this sponge. But with the Samurai Shark, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you get professional results each and every time. The retractable sharpening blade allows you to easily sharpen serrated edges. When it comes to sharpening scissors, ordinary sharpeners are tough to use. But whether it's scissors, tools, or knives, big or small, the Samurai Shark sharpens them all. If you're an outdoorsman, take it with you when you go hunting or fishing to keep those fillet knives razor sharp. It fits in your glove box, toolbox, even your tackle